Where are we today?
There's a beach. There's a beach.
So we're going to try to see what we can film for you guys. We are spending a day here at Blizzard Beach. It's a Wednesday, so I'm hoping it's not too busy. You gonna get some water shoes or some Crocs? Let me see. You're wearing brand new water shoes, Ethan. Hunter, what'd you find, buddy? Those fit? I've heard this place is better to eat at lunchtime, guys. Ooh, mini donuts. We've already had donuts. Did you bring them in?
They wait till you get on the...
You okay? You need a drink, Hannah? This way, bub. This way, Ethan. Like nobody's over here. You want to play over here? This way, Hannah. Yeah, just a minute. I gotta stay with Hannah too.
Bueno, todos los muñequitos de nieve.
Oh, you found a leaf? Okay, go up the thing first. Let's try this one first.
Get it? Are we gonna do the slide?
You want to go on the little slide? You got to go up. Go up the stairs. See where everyone else is going on the stairs? Oh, you okay, babe? There you go. Ethan, don't shove. Sit on your bottom. Go, go. Whee! Come on. Oh, Lord. That was very slippery. You okay? Sit, Hannah. On your bottom, Hannah. Woo! Now, Ethan, get down there. Hannah, are you going to do that? Okay. You want to do it? Okay. Whee! Go ahead, buddy. All right, bud, I'll meet you down there in a minute. Whee! Have fun.
Can I do this? You're so tall, princess.
You go pick up one critter and you bring it back to your hula hoop. And then you go get another one. Right there, Ethan. Right here, Hannah. Oh, I'm sorry, right here. That's yours. Hannah, you're getting too many at a time. Right there, Ethan, right there. Throw him back in. Not too far, she said. No, toss him back in, baby. No, nobody keeps them. They're for the game. Wait till she says go. Go, one at a time, Hannah. Go, Ethan, go. One at a time, Ethan. One at a time. Right here, Hannah. A lot of people in there.
Liam? I don't know where Liam is.
Where's Maddie and Hunter? They fed or no?
How do elephant flips?
So today it is Easter week here. Well, it's Easter week period, but our passes are blocked out for the next 2 weeks. Ethan got some Stitch shoes because he lost his shoes here. I've now purchased 3 pairs of shoes today. Yeah, we weren't gonna go hunt the water shoes down that we got at the Goodwill. Anyway, it is crazy here. Like, the lazy river is elbow to elbow with people. Hugs. And I assume they will probably be reaching capacity here soon. I've heard a lot lately, now that they have this free water park day on arrival day, that they reach capacity a lot. So be happy when both of the water parks are open in May. Okay, excuse me. Hannah's a little tired. So anyway, it is really crazy, busy, crowded. We just changed into our clothes and ordered some lunch here at the front at, I forget what it's called, Lawata Lounge or something. I have to look it up. Anyway, we ordered lunch. We've been waiting a long time, at least 30 minutes or so for it. Even the standby lines were long and the mobile order had a long, like 30-minute wait. So we're waiting on our food. We're going to eat, and then we may go visit the Easter displays at the Grand Floridian, and I think there's one at Wilderness Lodge. We'll check it out and see how tired these two are. But we might go do that really quick. What do you need salt for? Chicken? What do you have, Hannah? You have a mustache? But do you have Hannah?
Mustache.
Ethan, look.
Especially your hit the first you see.
Eat your chicken, Hannah. Eat your chicken, Hannah. How was your food, Isaac?
Good.
You want that orange?
No, I'm good.
You want an applesauce? I think they gave us too many applesauces.
Follow.
How was your food, Hunter?
Good.
Come on. Come on. What are these?
$50.
Blanket and pillow. How cute.
Where's the blanket pulp?
Come on, Isaac. All right, walk, guys. Hunter, don't go fast and don't hit anyone.
Glad you saw that.
It says Typhoon Lagoon on it.
Doesn't doubt.
We've made it to Animal Kingdom parking. Now we are going, that was the closest resort to us. And so I just sent Maddie back to the car. We forgot a diaper and some wipes just in case we need it. And we are gonna hop on the bus and go over to Port Orleans French Quarter, let the kids play in the playground and get some beignets, and then probably head home. But we're gonna show you what there is to do there. So we took the bus over to French Quarter. We parked at Animal Kingdom because we have annual passes. We were able to do that for free. The only thing about getting on the buses is you do have to fold up your stroller. So just be prepared and aware of that. It was so cute. Once we got to the resort, there were cast members standing out front handing out Mardi Gras coins, I almost said beads, handing out coins, and a lot of kids were throwing theirs in the fountain there. Some of mine did, some of mine didn't. What did you get, Ethan? Show me. They give you a coin? Let me see.
Now in the back is a small.
Oh, it's a Mardi Gras coin. Oh, cool. Stay here, Hannah. Wonder what ship that is. It's the Dream cruise ship. It's pretty big, huh? Look at the pools on top. How's your beignet, Ethan? Hunter. Ethan, whenever you're finished, we'll go get you a color page to take home. Good job. So, everyone is very tired. We had fun playing at the playground, eating beignets, coloring. We're having some meltdown. So we are waiting for the bus. We're going to head back to our car and head home. Thanks for joining us today. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.